Hey, welcome to my channel TTMO Cards, and in today's video we're going to be opening up this 27 card NBA Prism rookie pack I got off eBay. I'm not quite sure what's in here, but let's crack it open and see what we got. See, oh, they're not sleeved. Oh, let's hope there's no damages in the cards. Let's see what we got here though. Got a rookie Prism Scotty Barnes, that's pretty solid. A Josh Giddey, Alfred Sengun, Jalen Green. These are some nice rookies. Kessler Edwards, Day'Ron Sharpe, Sharif Cooper, Juan Toscano Anderson, Santi Aldama, Ayo Dosunmu, Quentin Grimes, David Johnson, Greg Brown III, Jared Butler, Jeremiah Robinson Earl, James Bouknight, Davion Mitchell. Oh, Franz Wagner. It's a nice card. There's a little bit of scratching up there. I don't know if you can see. Cam Thomas, Jason Preston, Joshua Primo, Chris Duarte, Isaiah Jackson, Joe Wieskamp, Zaire Williams, and Herbert Jones. Oh, and Josh Christopher. So for $8, we got 27 rookie cards from the 2021 class, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, the 2021 class. And we got some solid hits in here. I mean, let's see. We got Cam Thomas, who's really hot right now. Franz Wagner. Jalen Green is Alfred Sengun, Josh Giddey, and Scotty Barnes. I think these 6 cards alone is worth more than what I paid for the entire package. So honestly, for $8, even with the no sleeves and the packaging, this is still a pretty solid lot. And we definitely made our money back. So thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.